In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to increase mouse DPI for best gaming experience in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate at the search box and type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a best match in this window. And once it's here, you need to navigate to the right side and wait until you can see an option called open to proceed. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you need to change the view first. So navigate to view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, please proceed to your mouse. In my case, I have seen it here at the second column next to fonts. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to bring up the mouse properties, where here you need to navigate to the pointer options. And from that, you need to proceed to select a pointer speed. So in order to increase your mouse DPI, you need to proceed here to the fast or nearby fast. Because the moment you click on slow, your mouse DPI will be decreased or will be slower as well. So please set it into nearby fast or fast. Once you're good, click on apply. And then uncheck this enhance pointer precision. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, you can now set the view back into category, close the window, and you're good to go. Okay? If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.